स्ट्रीट लायटी वेल्यान कुंकळ्ळेचे नगरपालिकेचे जाल्ले भ्रष्टाचाराचे आरोप चुकीचे। कायदेशीर सोपस्कार करूनच ह्या लायटिंग खातीर टेंडर काडिल्ले आनी सगळ्यांत कमी बोली लावपी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टरांक हे टेंडर दिवन प्रत्येक नगरसेवकाच्या वॉर्डात ह्यो लायटी दिल्ल्यो। विरोधकां कडल्यान म्हजी बदनामी चल्ल्या, कुंकळ्ळेचो नगराध्यक्ष लक्ष्मण नायक सांगता।
Council has purchased 1,400 fixtures. We are not published to purchase any fixtures stated in this. We add to send seal packed quotation and drop in the box kept in the municipality. So in that way we got 5 quotations. These all 5 quotations in the box was open in the presence of Chief Officer, Accountant, Head Clerk, myself, ECP Anthony Desai, Anthony Fernandez, and Councillor Raymond Rika was there. Others were also there. We got the quotations, and then comparative statement was made by accountant. Okay, and in that comparative statement, they found that 671 was the lowest rate in those 5. Rupees 671 per unit, and that was the lowest. So order was given to supply 420 fixtures and 30 bundles of wire of 4 mm. Okay, according to that they received, and that Gayatri Electricals got that. And there was a mistake in the, not mistake I said, when you floated, when we received that time, GST was 12%. And later on, within a course of 8 days, GST was raised to 18%. GST is common for all. Whether I put low or less or high, that is not the point. And according to that, Chief Officer, Accountant, they paid, supplier was paid by check on receipt of the material. This material given was equally distributed, keeping some reserves in the to be put in the highway, in the market or in the important places. Still they are there, not over. But every councillor was given 28 fixtures and 2 bundles of wire. So we did that. And there is no corruption even of a single pie. These people are making nonsense of their own self. It is a nonsense of their own self. These all records are available with the municipality. They should have asked, see, to verify.